Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Friends, ये वीडियो मैंने बनाया है after seeing so many comments on my YouTube channel that ma'am, you look so fit, though, so there is no need of doing different exercises. But yes, let me tell you, I also gained a huge weight. My weight gain was almost about 12 to 15 kgs. I do the exercises, I try different exercises at home because that makes me keep myself fit. Because see friends, I also love to have food और मैं भी काफ़ी foodie हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है, but still I try to keep my weight in check, and this I do by undertaking different exercises. And friends, ये वीडियो जो मैंने बनाया है, this is specially for the viewers who have asked me कि मैम सिजेरियन के बाद हम अपना वेट कैसे कम करें. और friends, this video is basically upon the different exercises that you can do, the diet plan that you can follow after the C-section. And also friends, it is very important to check up with your gynae कि आप उस condition में हैं to do the exercises. Friends, before I tell you my morning routine and all the exercises that I did, आपको एक छोटा सा काम करना है. You have to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel because I keep on posting the exercises, the easy exercises and the intense core muscle exercises that can be easily done at home. और diet skip करने की सलाह बिल्कुल नहीं दूंगी because see, most of the ladies they believe that if I skip on diet, मैं ये नहीं खाऊंगी, मैं अगर वो नहीं खाऊंगी तो I can lose my weight. See, after your cesarean, after your C-section, you are supposed to have a healthy diet because there is a big responsibility being a mom and you have to feed your child also. So never skip your diet. Taking a proper balanced diet is must. Now coming on to the steps that I followed after C-section, the first and foremost thing that I did was the breastfeed. See friends, it is very important that you breastfeed your child. Breastfeed कराने से you burn a significant calories. You may burn a calorie of up to 300 to 500 calories by continuously breastfeeding your child. What happens is when you breastfeed your child, भूख बहुत ज़्यादा लगती है, and at that time you feel like yes, I should eat more of the meals, right? And which you should obviously be doing it because you want to take care of your child. Yes, I'm going to tell you, जब आप breastfeed कराते हैं तो आपको उसके बाद क्या करना चाहिए as a part of your diet. As a part of your diet plan, आपको अपने diet में add yogurt, add nuts, add flax seeds. So जब भी आपको लगता है कि नहीं मुझे भूख लगी है तो what you can do is you can have some curd. Avoid adding more of the sugar into it. Apart from this, what you can add into your diet is the fruits. You can have lots of salad. What happens is breastfeeding के बाद कुछ हम heavy खाएं उससे better है we supplement our heavy diet with all these things, adding a yogurt, having salads, having fruits. So ये आपकी पूरी body को nourish करेगा और आपको weight gain से बचाएगा. Friends, I will always say, please remember that आपको weight loss करना है, health loss नहीं करना है. So इसीलिए हमें balanced diet लेना is the most important thing. We should be aware कि हम कौन सी diet ले रहे हैं. Friends, the second point that I strictly followed after my cesarean is the pregnancy belt. So friends, what happens is after our cesarean, even after our normal delivery, the doctor prescribes us the pregnancy belt. And what happens is I have seen in most of the ladies that they usually say कि नहीं मैंने तो pregnancy के बाद ये belt मैंने नहीं पहना. So please ladies, stop doing this. When your doctor has prescribed you the pregnancy belt, make sure that you wear it. Benefits of wearing the pregnancy belt is that it protects your scar, the incision. Secondly, it helps you to tighten your belly area. Otherwise what happens is it will become saggy. वो बहुत ज़्यादा लूज हो जाती है अगर आप बेल्ट नहीं पहनेंगे तो in that case there are chances कि आपका जो belly fat है that will increase. तो friends, जब आप pregnancy belt पहनते हैं तो वो excessive fat cells को deposit नहीं होने देता है near your belly area. So this is one of the most important benefit of wearing the pregnancy belt. Friends, the third step that I followed strictly is drinking 8 to 10 glass of water. Friends, it is very essential that you keep yourself hydrated. It not only helps you to keep hydrated, but it also helps you in breastfeeding. And friends, in the morning time, what I used to do is I used to have a lukewarm water. So every day my routine was to have a lukewarm water early in the morning. It's the fourth step that I followed as my daily routine was having a green tea. start replacing your regular tea with green tea because it contains lots of antioxidants. ये तो था जो मैं as a part of अपना daily routine किया करती थी. इसके अलावा there are certain exercises that you should be doing apart from all these things. So initially friends, when I had my C-section, after 3 days I was on a rest. After coming home, even my doctor prescribed me to go for a regular walk. Initially आपको बिल्कुल brisk walk करना है, बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे walk करना है. It should not be more because अभी आपका cesarean हुआ है तो दीदी in season जो है आपका जो घाव है वो पूरी तरह अभी आपका heal नहीं हुआ है. But gradually you should increase your walk. So what I did for myself is that initially I began with a mild walk, brisk walk. It was hardly up to 2 to 5 minutes. Gradually I increased my walk to about 5 minutes, then 10 minutes, then 15 minutes. So friends, walking is very important. And friends, after 6 months I increased my walk to about 30 to 40 minutes. And it really helped me in maintaining my health. Friends, there are many other exercises which you can do. If you go to my YouTube channel, initially I have given few exercises which can be done by the beginners if you have not been doing any exercises before your C-section also. So you can gradually start off with the exercises. After 6 months I started doing all the exercises because my gynae, she said that yes, your incision is completely fine. So gradually I started doing my exercises. In my YouTube channel you can find a few beginners exercises. If you want, there are exercises which relates to your cardio exercises. I keep on posting most the intense exercises also. So friends, if you have almost crossed 9 months or 1 year, you are good to go with the exercises.